Today I'm going to discuss a new AI tool to make money online for completely free. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to focus on some easy and fast ways to add some extra income using this free AI tool. In fact, I am going to focus on 7 different ways to earn money using this free tool. I'm the Money Maven, and the AI tool in question is PromeAI.pro. Besides just creating images from text using AI, this tool allows you to turn any photo into a sketch. It also has different AI supermodel features. When you click on that, you can see exactly how it works. It has a background remover and all sorts of different things related to photography and AI-generated art. Intrigued? Good. Let's talk about 7 different ways to use it to earn money. Number 1, Wirestock. The very first way to use this platform to make money online would be through a website called Wirestock. Wirestock allows you to make money with your photos and AI art. They have different challenges, and if you click on Challenges, you can see that there are currently hundreds of challenges that pay like $50 if you win with your AI art. Some pay $100. All you need to do is generate art using AI. To generate art using this tool, simply click on AI Image Generator, then select AI Image Generator again. Once there, you can describe exactly what you need and select the style. Let's say I need something ultra-realistic, and these guys are looking for food photography. In this case, I would select Packaging Design under the Scene category, then choose a perspective, like a medium shot. After typing in the text, I just click Generate, and we'll get a few different images that we can download with one press of a button. If I like a particular image, I can download it to my computer. Number 2, DeviantArt. The second way to make money using this AI tool is through DeviantArt.com. This is another platform where people share digital art, gaining traffic and sometimes selling their digital art or growing their following. You can create an account by clicking on the Join button, and you do want to join as an artist. Number 3, Etsy. Another way people are making money with AI art is through Etsy.com. For example, you can see a lot of different people selling t-shirt designs that some buyers purchase for a good amount. For instance, one listing is selling for $3 and has already made $2,400 with just one single listing. You can generate all of this art inside the tool and then sell it. Bear in mind that to start selling on Etsy, they usually ask you to pay 20 cents per listing. However, if you want to get it for free, here's a little trick. Before you create an account, search for 40 free listings on Etsy. This will show you people offering to sign up through their referral link, which gives you 40 free listings. Etsy will give both you and the person referring you 40 free listings, so you don't have to spend any money. Number 4, Contra. The fourth way that people are making money with AI image generators is through a platform called Contra. Contra is a platform where people have made over $50 million just by selling their services. Most of these services can be completely digital. For example, you can create digital art for clients, upscale photos, turn photos into sketches, create image variations, and more. Even if you charge only $5 to $10 per image, it can still add up. You can see examples of people making thousands of dollars on this platform. To start, press the Sign Up button, sign up as a freelancer, and create an account. Number 5, 99 Designs. Another platform where people are making money with AI art is 99designs.com. If you scroll to the bottom of their website and click on Design Contests, you'll find some open contests. Click on Show Filters and then Open Contests to see the ones currently available. Some pay $500, $200, or even more for logo designs or redesigns. You can generate art based on the prompts they provide on their website, and if your design is chosen, you can earn hundreds of dollars. Number 6, Listverse. People are also making money through a platform called Listverse, which features bizarre articles that attract a lot of attention and clicks. For example, you can copy the link to an article, then go to ShrinkMe, a tool that pays you when someone clicks on your link. ShrinkMe pays you because people are shown ads when they click on your link, and the platform splits the ad revenue with you. To start, register an account on ShrinkMe, log in, and shorten your article link. Then, you can promote this shortened link on platforms with high traffic like imore.com by creating a post with an AI-generated image related to the article. Number 7, Print on Demand. Lastly, people are selling digital AI art as print-on-demand products on platforms like Zazzle.com. You can sell your designs on items like mugs, phone cases, and t-shirts. To start, click on Sell on Zazzle, sign up for free, and do the same on Redbubble. These platforms allow you to sell your art on various products without any upfront cost. These are just a few different ways to add some extra income using this AI tool. However, it's important to note that while these methods can be fun and potentially profitable, they aren't how you build a sustainable online business. If you're interested in learning how to build a sustainable online business, the Online Business Club offers over 20 step-by-step training programs that used to be sold for over $11,000 each. Now they teach you how to build your own online business from anywhere in the world. Members also get access to weekly coaching calls, free global meetups, regular giveaways, exclusive software, job opportunities, coupons, and much more. I am a member and cannot tell you just how rich in information and support this club is. There are over 22 different training programs available, with over 20 hours of step-by-step video courses, all aimed at helping you go from zero to your first $1,000 a month online, regardless of the business model you choose. You can find the link to the Online Business Club in the description box below. That's it for now. If you found this information helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more.